Hello everyone. There is a batch of Catl 280 are in stock at present. Original source code batch stock. This battery cycle performance to 6000加 cycles. Grid Life Pulse Battery Cell Cycles Life 6000加 4.16 TCS For DIY 12伏、24伏、48伏 Both Solar System RVEV Dimensions mm 207.2乘173.9乘71.7 mm Weight about 5.34千克 Each product must be shipped after testing. Use best efforts to ensure that you receive the goods is no problem. For easy assembly, we will weld M2 studs on the battery. Each battery will send a copper bus and R nuts. Of course, it depends on your needs. High quality no leaking problem. High quality battery cells with multi-protect FT system ensures your safety and the protection for the battery uses. Laser welding studs are more convenient and firmer to assemble. Factory spot batch price is more affordable. If you have demand, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.